What's the meaning of beam? Beam. Beam.
Beam. Beam. The word beam can have multiple meanings depending on the context. As a noun, it can refer to a long and sturdy piece of timber or metal used for support in construction or transportation. It can also refer to a narrow and focused stream of light or energy, such as a laser beam or a beam of sunlight. As a verb, it can mean to emit or transmit something in a narrow and focused direction, or to express a radiant or cheerful emotion. Overall, beam often connotes strength, focus, and positivity, but its specific meaning is shaped by the context in which it appears.